name is James Cusack. We're in Ballykinstall, Tramore, County Waterford. Started milking cows here in 2013. So I installed a Dairymaster drafting unit back in 2016 with the view of eventually getting the collars. This is my third year with the MooMonitor collars. I feel it takes the work out of a stressful time of the year, you know, with breeding. You're coming off calving and, you know, you're into another busy time, but with the collars, it's just like any other part of the year now because the drafter will draft them as they come in heat and it's all left to the MooMonitor. The heat protection I had in previously was just tail painting, so I was up in the parlour topping up the paint and watching them coming out in the morning to see was ranting bulling, and it was very laboursome, you know. You had to be on the ball the whole time, you know. There was no day off, like, you know, you were morning and evening you were checking and checking. This has taken all that out of it. I know even before I go out in the morning nearly what to be in for AI that morning. With the MooMonitor system, you have the app on your phone. You're never away from it. You're in tune with what's going on out in the field 24/7. Even if you're away for a few days, you know, you're still getting feedback on what cows are ruminating, and you know, if there's any sick cows, it's giving you the alerts. Like, it's peace of mind, it saves time, and time is money. Dairymaster put on a course, a webinar. We were able to interact, and any questions you had about it, you know, you were able to ask them and they were answered there and then. And, you know, you were getting great feedback, like, you know, and just a matter of getting used to what signals are coming up on it and, you know, what to look out for, you know. I feel I am getting more from my cows with the MooMonitor because you're on top of everything. You know, you're getting the alerts if there's a cow sick or, you know, off farm. You know, our history is there and you have something compared to, and, you know, you can probably call the vet if needs be sooner than you would have. The MooMonitor has helped to improve the pregnancy rate by 3 or 4%. Every 3 weeks loss costs money, you know, so you're at peace of mind when you have the MooMonitor.